Good day everybody. So here I've got a laptop from Dell model Inspiron 5000 series. So the problem is when I start the laptop, the white light comes on, flashes. But nothing comes on the screen. This laptop is about 1.5 years old and it's hardly been used. It's still like a new condition, but suddenly the screen died just like that. This is just a not acceptable quality for a laptop. Some people who had the same issue on the website said remove the cable, remove the battery, and hold on to this power button for 1 minute or so. And then after that, plug the power cable only back to the laptop and turn the power back on, and that has fixed the issue to some people, but yeah, no luck for me. Didn't fix my screen issue. So if anyone knows how to fix this issue or have had a similar experience on their quite new computer, yeah, please share on the comment.